Satair came to us with the challenge to make faster plane repair possible. One of the utmost requirements for Satair and for their customers, the airlines, is that the tools have to be brightly colored to a certain spec of orange or red.
In the past, our only options were to print in a solid color and then to do some subsequent processes.
Color printing allows us to skip some of the post-processes like painting and thereby further reducing the lead time, sometimes up to 70% compared to conventional manufacturing.
Enter HP's 580 multi-jet fusion technology, which now enables you to print in full color, shortens lead time, decreases cost, and solves the challenge that Satair was facing.
So the project also allowed us to understand the capabilities of HP's new technology, and it's pretty amazing. For some designs, it just takes an hour to print.
Our technology was a perfect fit because they got both the high-strength parts they needed, but also the color features.
We see the opportunity for thousands of tools to be converted from traditionally manufactured tools to additively manufactured tools, saving cost, saving time, and ultimately improving the end user experience.